open the document entitled Word Wrap from Canvas by clicking on your blue link to download your document for Word Wrap so that you can complete the assignment. You're going to save this to your Word subfolder. Make sure you enable your editing. Click File, click Save As, click Desktop, double-click your school document subfolder, double-click your Word subfolder. Now add your name after a hyphen or dash to the end of the document. Click Save. Formatting marks, such as a paragraph mark, which represents an enter, an arrow, which would represent a tab key, or a small dot in between words, which represents your space, can help you when you are trying to format your documents. If you don't have them, you would press the paragraph formatting key or command in the paragraph group on the Home tab to create them. Now, triple click on the word on student name and replace student name with your name. Make sure you highlight that change. Now, the instructions tell you that you are going to tab over to create your first paragraph. Then press the End key to go to the end of the line and press the Delete key to get rid of your enter. Because when we use word processing programs, we don't need to enter at the end of each sentence. We let it word wrap. But in this case, they did enter, which makes it an incorrect paragraph. And we want to delete all the unnecessary paragraph markings. So press your End key, press Delete. Arrow down, End, Delete. Press the End key, press the Delete key. Press the down arrow. Press the End key to make sure you're at the end of the line. Press the Delete key. Press the End key. Press the Delete key. Arrow down. Press the Delete key. End. Press the Delete key. Now you're going to leave the last paragraph marking and the one in between the two paragraphs so that you create a blank line of text between the two paragraphs. Then you're going to go to the beginning of the second paragraph, press the Tab key to indent our second paragraph, press the End key, press the Delete key to delete your paragraph marking, arrow down, press the End key and the Delete key, then press the End key and Delete key again, then arrow down, press the Delete key, press the End key, press the Delete key, arrow down, press the End key and the Delete key. Now we are at the end of our paragraph. We don't need to get rid of the last two. Make sure you click Save after you make your changes. Then press the Control End key and enter one time to create a blank line of space between your paragraphs. Press the Tab key so that you can begin typing the paragraph on Canvas 3 times. When typing sentences and paragraphs that are continued, you should only press the Enter key when you get to the end of a paragraph. When you press the Enter key at the end of a line of text, that the word processing program thinks that this is the end of a sentence and therefore capitalizes the first letter of the next line. If you're in the middle of a sentence, when you press the Enter key, this could lead to incorrect capitalization in your document. Now, let's type the following paragraph. We're going to enter 2 times after each paragraph to create a blank line of text between each paragraph. So you're going to type the full paragraph. He shot a nasty look sideways at Harry, comma, whose untidy hair had always been a source of great annoyance to Uncle Vernon. Only space 1 time after a sentence, compared to the man on the television, comma, space, however, comma, whose gaunt face was surrounded by a matted elbow in the dash key length tangle, comma, Harry felt very well groomed indeed, and a period. Enter 2 times, tab, type the same paragraph again. Enter 2 times at the end of the paragraph. Press the tab key again. Notice the arrow to the right. Don't worry about the green squiggly lines that say you could possibly have a grammar error at the end of the sentence. Just type the paragraphs exactly as you see them. Now, don't forget to save this before you submit it on Canvas. Make sure that all your formatting errors are corrected. Make sure you check your rubric on Canvas to make sure you've made all your changes. You may highlight the last 3 paragraphs. If you would like to, you do not have to. Then close your document. Click Submit Assignment, choose File, choose Word Wrap, Open, Submit Assignment. And now you may move on to your